Hello everyone, this is Kevo Bravo speaking, and this is EURUSD market breakdown analysis. Starting from the higher time frame, as always, we start with the monthly time frame to start the overall market direction in bigger picture. And this is the price range where we'll be dealing with, because we cannot start or we cannot deal with all these stuffs over here. We're only interested on this level for trading. Okay, as usual, the first step is to identify the potential levels. For this case, we have two potential levels over here. This one here above, and we have this one below here, which is just been tested recently. So this is what, let me zoom so that we can see it very clear. This is what we see. This one here, to make it correct. Now, so in monthly time frame, what we can see here, price did not touch this level yet. So possibly we can have a push to the upward, touching the potential level, because most of the time price must touch the potential level before it drops and then up. So we'll see how price reacts this potential level here. Now, in high time frame, we can see that we are in the uptrend, and we have about we have just a, what can I say, we have a potential level just above here. So possibly we can have a next push to the upward to touch this potential level, and from here price may either drop or continue pushing up, breaking this latest high here. And mind one thing, if this high is broken, it means the trend has been shifted, because according to Dow theory, the price will continue to be in downtrend until the latest high has been broken, or to continue to be in downtrend until the in uptrend until the latest low has been broken. So for this is our latest high. So if the price breaks above this latest high, our downtrend is invalidated, and we'll be now going for the uptrend. That's why I'm calling this the potential level, and drawing it over here. For further instruction on how to draw and to trade potential levels, you can join my training and mentorship program at Market Wolf. You can kindly message me in my Telegram, on my Telegram, by using the username at Bravo98, or you can follow the details and the instruction on the description below. So this is what we get in higher time frame, the potential level, price coming toward the potential level to touch. Now we can switch to weekly time frame. Possibly we can get any information here. In a weekly time frame, this is what we get. We still have this potential level over here. So possibly we can have something like this to the upward here. Our price may come to touch this potential level here before it goes up to this and drop. Because here this is also as a potential level. This one here is potential level formed due to demand. As all we know, demand is the bank or institution levels, and here is a potential level forming due to market structure. So possible price might push to this potential level here, the demand, and then pushing it up to market structure potential level before it drops downward here or continue going up. So in a weekly time frame, this is what we get. And even if we zoom in, we zoom out to see how the previous week candle closed, we can see the candle closed like this. The candle closed like this. So we can either have the following candle drop, or push up. We don't know because we are just reacting to market. We don't predict it. So here the possible movement is either continue going up and drop, or drop first, touching this potential level and going up and drop, or go further upward. This is the weekly, the details on the weekly time frame. Now switching to daily time frame, this is what we got here. We have the price forming series of higher highs and higher low, and the prices successfully break the previous market structure here, which is highs and the low. So which means possibly we can have a trend shift here, or a temporary trend shifting here, possibly to this demand here, the potential level formed due to the supply and demand, which is almost a demand. So if I label these levels, I can mark like this. I can mark this one here, the first potential level, and also I can mark another one here, which is also another good potential level. So price can possibly come to this, touching this potential level, and it drop downward to this point here. So this is what I'm expecting right now on the Euro USD, and this is going to be one of the strongest setup to trade. Price might push up to this potential level and drop downward to touch this, and from here is where we can see either get a push up and or a further drop. We'll see how price reacts to this level, but right now this is what I'm expecting, or I'm waiting to see if price will react or will follow my forecast. Then I'll take the trade with a very good level of confidence. Now switching to 4-hour time frame, the time frame in which we take entries. Now we can see the very clear trade. It's a very clear trade. It's a very clear trade over here. We have a strong potential level here, a very strong potential level here, which means price might come up and end up here and drop downward. So I'm waiting to see a possible reaction to this level. If a price will provide us with any opportunity to short this pair, then I will take a sell position probably to this level here, which is almost about 300 pips. 300 pips. So this is my forecast on Euro USD. I'm expecting the price to continue pushing up again to touch this level before it drops downward here. So this is my forecast on Euro USD. A push up a little bit to touch this potential level here. This is a 4-hour potential level, and drop downward to this level here. Yeah, that's what we have for Euro USD for this week. So I won't take any further position until the price comes to this level. This is where I will take my entries, because we only take entry at potential levels. We don't take entries at the middle. We don't buy at the middle, and we never sell at the middle. We are waiting for the price to reach our potential level so that we can take our entries. For further information on how to draw potential level, on how to trade potential level, on how to spot them, and so many other information, you can join my mentorship and training program at Market Wolf. Simply, you can kindly DM me on my Telegram. or follow the instruction at the description below. Thank you. Keep in touch for further analysis.